Today, my girls found out that the peas we planted 15 weeks ago are finally ready, and one of them decided that pea pods taste better than the peas themselves. Let's go see what else went wrong and right on Harvest Day. Hello, and welcome back to the Nature Secret Vault. My name is Zandi, and today is Harvest Day. These bees have been growing here since the 23rd of April, and my little helpers were very keen to get involved. Let's get into it. Before we even got to harvest the peas, we had a visitor waiting for us just sitting there on one of the pea pods. This little guy, big, fuzzy, and honestly looks like a tiny teddy bear. I looked him up afterward, and this is a male carpenter bee. You can tell by how fuzzy he looks, and some varieties are actually nicknamed teddy bear carpenter bees. I also found out that only the females have stingers, so this male is basically harmless. Later, I'll show you what happens when the ground is just too hard to pull up carrots. And little baby girl's first taste of peas and carrot puree. These peas have been growing since the 23rd of April. That's 15 weeks ago, just over 3.5 months. And today is the first proper picking. I'm not stripping the vines bare, just going through and pulling the pods that are plump and ready to eat. Having helpers with small hands is actually handy here. Their little hands, they fit right through the trellis fencing, whereas mine are simply too big. So we split up one side of the garden each and they just went for it. While we were at it, I figured I'll pull some carrots too. I wanted to make the little ones some peas and carrot puree for dinner. First attempt, the ground was rock hard, it just wouldn't move. So I paused, I watered the soil a little bit, and I gave it a few minutes to soften. I later went back, and after that, they came out so much easier. I only needed three for tonight's dinner, and we got three good ones. I must say, these girls absolutely enjoy harvesting. I'm happy with that. I gave everything a good wash, and inside we went. Then we all sat down together to shell the peas. This part is honestly the girls' favorite. Lots of giggling, lots of accidental snacking on the tiny sweet peas straight out of the pod. My little one is in the stage where everything goes in her mouth, so I handed her a whole pod just to gum on, and she was thrilled. My eldest, on the other hand, decided she actually prefers eating the pods over the peas themselves. Not my thing personally, but hey, everyone's taste buds are different. And this is how much peas we got for the day. So proud of myself. On the last step, dinner. I peeled and chopped up the carrots. I actually learned that you can skip this step, especially if you don't use any pesticides in your garden. So next time, I'm just not gonna peel my carrots and let my baby have all of the nutritious goodness that is found on the outer layer of the carrots. I added the peas together with the carrots in one pot, and then I let that steam. I blended it up smooth, and that's dinner sorted for the little one. That was our day, the pea harvest, one very chill teddy bear bee, and dinner sorted for the baby, all in one afternoon with my girls. If you enjoyed hanging with us today, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Kumnandi engadini, and every day is a good day to start a garden.